YouTube, what's up, YouTube? This your boy, Chevy Addict, y'all, with another premiere, y'all. Let go.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict. Ain't it, man? Chevys get ready. 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 Chevys get ready.
I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit. I'm a Chevy addict.
It's a Chevy thing. Rolling in my Tahoe on 28s. I gotta be great, making the earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream, or I can come real cool and slide through. In the cutlass old school on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing.
Do what you love.
YouTube, your boy is back, y'all. Got two packages here. Y'all see the name. Y'all see the name. Let me sit you right here for a minute. Y'all think, look at this. Good little package, right? Good little package. Look at this. Viking.com. Alright, y'all. Let's go with this video, y'all. Alright, y'all. Got two packages today. One for Viking Performance. And another one for you and my performance. So, this is for my old school. Y'all know I need these for my old school, y'all. So I finally got my. I watched these for the longest on YouTube. See how you know what I mean? How they put them together. But it's easy how to put them together. But I got this right here. Trying my best to go ahead and get all my suspension stuff out of the way. And now I'm missing two things from my, well, four things really from my suspension, which is my upper and lower control arms. And my front sway bar and my rear sway bar. So, boy, it's been a long time coming. I mean, I bought these on Tuesday, and took 3 days to ship out, and got them today. Like I said, I gonna do. But other than that, y'all, hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Give me a thumbs up, and leave me a positive comment, y'all. So, that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this, y'all. Alright, YouTube, we back, y'all. Y'all see where everything came in them two boxes, y'all. I got some UMI springs. I have my whole Viking Coilover kit for the front, rear. The big boxes in the back here, right here. These are springs. These are my shocks right here. I'm gonna open one spring up. I'm gonna open all this stuff actually, and show you what I showed. What they sent me. So y'all see that, y'all see that. Y'all see that. They already been put together with that. Look at that. Yes sir. But never been used though. Yes sir. Y'all see my two adjustments right there. And also the bolts, the hardware for the kit. And I also got these also for my car, cause the clips in here now is old, so I'm replacing it with these right here. I might have to get another kit, so I'm gonna have to talk to my car designer. Do I need to get another kit for these right here? I'm about $8 on eBay. There's another one right here. It's the real Coilover right here, as y'all see. Yes, sir, y'all. I like that, y'all. Nice finish. First set of coilovers. Like I said, double adjustable. You turn right here, turn them up. Right here, you adjust them. Yes, sir, you adjust them right there. The rings and clips for them and bearings for them right here. Alright, I've seen two of them. Let's go ahead and inspect the other two. Bushings and stuff in the bag in here. All the hardware I need, rings I need. Right here also. It's the real shop. It's the real coilover. It's the shop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. There, the front, all the hardware for the front. Yes, sir. Here they go, right here, y'all. Right, they brand new. They put them together, but it was not used. Just know that. Brand new, y'all. It's a nice little feel. Nice little feel. I like that. Everything right here, which is my wrenches, the 2 wrenches right here I need. Oh, yeah, I see 2 right here. My pieces for this. Springs for the front side of the car. Y'all see Viking right there. Y'all see Viking right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here's my last spring right here. We have Viking on it also right here. All right, y'all, that's it. That's it. So, make this long story short, y'all. Stand by for the intro, y'all. I'll be right back, y'all. Clean my mess up. All right, y'all, I'm back, y'all. Clean my mess up. I know I said stand by for the intro, but I meant to say stand by for the outro. Y'all know that. But anyway, y'all, y'all looked at my G-body setup, my coilovers, my springs, tools, everything, y'all. So we got everything we need in. Everything checks out. Once my car get where it's going, so my biller is gonna put them on my car. Everything will be color match my car, y'all. Just know the color I picked out will be so good, y'all. Y'all like it. Y'all gonna like it though. But the interior will be flawless, flawless, y'all. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. When my car leave on the 22nd of July, my plans is to drop pictures of everything he sent me. I'm gonna show y'all. So stay tuned. Make sure I get a like. Make sure I hit a like. Hit the like. Hit the like. Hit the like, man. I can't stress this enough, man. Hit the like button, 84. Hit the like button, 84. So at the end of the day, y'all, I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for your support. Thank y'all for helping me out on this bill, man. And I'm telling y'all, man, it continues soon, man. So I'm gonna cut you back on the end of July to show you my car getting transported out, y'all. So stay tuned to the lives, and whatever comes through the pipes, I'm gonna give it to y'all first, y'all. I love y'all, man. Stay safe out here. Drink water, drink water, drink water. It's hotter and hotter every day. So make sure y'all stay frosty. I'm gone, y'all.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy.